Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today for the 7-minute core workout. Let's get started in a low plank on our elbows. So let's go ahead and get started tucking our toes under, lifting our hips to be in line with our shoulders and our ankles in a low plank. Let's go. We're gonna start with 30 knee taps. So alternating tapping your knee to the floor gently. Let's start with our right. We're going to do 30 right and left and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 9, 10. You've got 20 more. Keep going. Awesome. Last one to finish up this low plank series. Let's lift our hips up into a dolphin pose and then shift our hips down back to a low plank, really working on our shoulders here. Let's lift our hips up again and lower them down. It's almost like you're going to a downward facing dog and then you're coming back down to a plank. Last time, let's lift those hips up into a dolphin and then put them down in a low plank. Beautiful. If you have it in you, do 2 more or take a break. Next, we're going to be doing those knee taps again, but this time we're doing double knee taps. So let's get ready. In our low plank, we do double knee taps. Let's do 10. We do 10 and 9 and 8 and 7. We have 6, 5. I was shaking so much here. 4. I know it's tricky. 3. Belly button to spine. 2. And 1. Beautiful. Slowly lower down, untuck the toes, stretch out your core, and then let's sit back into a child's pose. Reach your hands in front of you for a nice deep stretch. Make your way onto your back. We will be doing abdominal crunches next. So place your hands behind your head. I do this series every day with my students. So let's lift our head and our neck up 8 times. 8 and 7. 6, really gluing our lower back to the floor with each crunch. And we have 3, 2, 1. Let's lift those legs up to the sky for 8 and 7 and 6. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left arm out to the side, sideways. 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Right arm out to the side, going towards the right for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Get ready. 2. We have bicycle crunches next. 1. And extending our leg fully to the ground for 8, 7, 6, 5. Imagine these pedals are huge. 4, 3, 2, try to extend your leg fully to the sky and then reverse. We're going backwards for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, almost there, 2, and 1. Legs up to the sky. Place your hands underneath your glutes and we're going to slowly lower our legs down and up 8 times. Nice and slow in your own time, keeping your back super glued to the floor. Belly button moves towards your spine here. Try to exhale on the way down and inhale on the way up. Almost there. 6 more. Let's lift our legs halfway to lower here, hands behind our head. Turn out your legs and we do little battus, crisscrossing our legs in front, crossing our inner thighs, really working on our inner thighs and our lower abdominals. Option to keep your head and neck lifted and extend your arms and lower the legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Relax. Turn your head side to side to release any tension from your head and your neck. Next, we place our hands behind our lower head again. Tap our toes together, open up the knees into a butterfly, and on the next exhale, bring your elbows to your knees. Inhale, tap the toes down and your head down. Again, exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, lower. Again, exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, lower. Let's go for 4. And we go for 5. And 6. And 7. Last one, 8. Thread your hands between your legs and do little pulses. Let's go. Keep pulsing. Beautiful. Relax. Final set of this series. We are going to go back into our high plank this time. We're going to start out with slow mountain climbers. So on our hands and our feet, if this is too painful for your wrists, you can go onto your elbows. We're going to bring the knees in nice and slow. So let's do 4 slow, starting with the right. We bring the right leg in, bending the knee towards our chest. Let's go for 4. And we have 3, 2, and 1. Let's bring the right knee towards our left elbow for 4. Left knee towards right elbow, 3. Again, 2, crisscrossing, and 1. Let's speed it up a little bit, bringing it straight in for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crisscrossing for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's speed it up. Double time for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crisscrossing or keep it straight. Keep going. We're almost there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, guys. Press up into your downward facing dog. Walk your feet a little bit further out towards the mat and push your hands into the floor. Sway your hips side to side. Lift your heels. Do what feels good. And then let's roll forward into a high plank. You can let the knees down and go all the way down to your belly and then press up into a cobra to stretch out your core. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for the 7-minute core workout. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.